The relationship between the Quran and science is a profound area of exploration that reveals harmony between divine revelation and human discovery. The Quran consistently invites its readers to reflect on the natural world, emphasizing observation, reasoning, and understanding as pathways to recognizing the Creator. It highlights various phenomena in the cosmos, such as the creation of the universe, the water cycle, the development of human life, and the balance in ecosystems, which align remarkably with modern scientific discoveries. These descriptions, revealed over 1,400 years ago, in an era lacking advanced scientific knowledge, underscore the core and timeless relevance and insight. For instance, the Quran describes the origin of the universe in a manner consistent with the Big Bang theory, mentioning the heavens and the earth as a unified entity that was later separated. It also references the stages of embryonic development in the womb with astonishing accuracy, corresponding to what modern embryology has uncovered. The natural phenomena mentioned in the Quran are not presented as scientific manuals, but as signs, ayat, meant to inspire contemplation, gratification, and a deeper understanding of God's creation. The Quran's approach to science is not limited to specific facts, but extends to fostering a mindset of curiosity and exploration. It encourages believers to study the world, seek knowledge, and harness the powers of reason to uncover the universe's mysteries. The Quran establishes that science and religion serve complementary roles. Science explains the mechanisms of creation, while religion provides the purpose and meaning behind existence. This balance ensures that scientific advancement does not lead to materialistic arrogance, but instead becomes a means to appreciate the Creator's majesty. The harmony between the Quran and science demonstrates that faith and reason are not contradictory but mutually reinforcing. The Quran inspires believers to pursue knowledge and reflects truths that transcend time, offering a framework in which science is seen as a tool to understand and marvel at God's creation. This integration of spiritual insight and empirical inquiry serves as a guide for humanity, showing that the pursuit of knowledge can lead not only to material progress but also to spiritual fulfillment. The Quran and science share a profound relationship, rooted in the Quran's emphasis on reflection, observation, and understanding the natural world. The Quran frequently urges believers to look at the universe, study its patterns, and contemplate its purpose. This encouragement aligns seamlessly with the scientific method, which relies on curiosity, observation, experimentation, and reasoning to uncover the workings of the natural world. The Quran does not present itself as a scientific textbook. Instead, it offers a framework that integrates spiritual guidance with intellectual exploration, highlighting the creative science in the universe. One of the remarkable aspects of the Quran is its references to phenomena that modern science has only recently discovered. For instance, the description of the expanding universe aligns with the modern understanding of cosmology, where galaxies are moving away from one another. Similarly, the Quran mentions the stages of human embryonic development in a sequence that mirrors contemporary findings in embryology. The water cycle, the formation of clouds, the role of mountains in stabilizing the earth, and the orbits of celestial bodies are examples where Quranic verses resonate with scientific discoveries. The Quran also emphasizes balance and interconnectedness in nature. It highlights how ecosystems are designed to support life and how every element in creation serves a specific purpose. This holistic perspective on the natural world aligns with modern ecological principles, reinforcing the idea that humanity has a responsibility to protect and preserve the environment. Additionally, the Quran's focus on intellectual inquiry serves as a catalyst for scientific progress. Historically, this encouragement led to the flourishing of science and technology in the Islamic Golden Age, where scholars made groundbreaking advancements in fields such as medicine, astronomy, mathematics, and chemistry. While science seeks to uncover the mechanisms behind natural processes, the Quran offers the purpose and meaning behind them. It teaches that understanding the universe is not an end in itself, but a means to recognize and appreciate the Creator's wisdom and power. By encouraging the pursuit of knowledge, The Quran bridges the gap between spiritual and empirical realities, showing that science can deepen faith when approached with the right mindset. The Quran and science are not opposing forces, but complementary dimensions of understanding the world. The Quran provides a divine framework that inspires and guides scientific exploration, emphasizing the importance of knowledge in appreciating the Creator's science. Its timeless references to natural phenomena highlight its relevance across generations, encouraging believers to pursue both spiritual and intellectual growth. By integrating faith and reason, the Quran offers a path where science becomes a means of worship and a testament to the Creator's infinite wisdom. This harmony enriches human understanding and fosters a profound sense of purpose and responsibility.